Hello, team. So we are here and we're going to look at this pair, US30. Not only are we going to look at US30, we're going to also look at NAS100 USD. We're going to also look at GER30 and we're going to look at Bitcoin USD. So let's go to US30. Today is July 5th, Sunday, before the market opened. I already put my horizontal lines, so I'll explain it. So when we click on the daily, okay, the yellow lines are hard support and resistance on a daily. Okay, so that means they're very hard support resistance. For instance, the top line 29,437, that's the highest US30 was February 20th before the pandemic, the coronavirus. And the lowest is 18,264. 18,264, so that's the lowest. And then we have the middle here. So the yellows are hard support and resistance. We go to the 4 hours. The blues are 4-hour support and resistance. Okay? And then we say, where are we at? We're currently at 25,746 before the market opens. So what that tells me, remember, on Sundays, the market will go up 700 or go down 700 points. So the market should touch 26,204 because right now it's at 25,746, or it should touch 25,298 because it goes 700. So we know it'll either go up to that or down below. So that's why you see the purple lines are here. My horizontal rays, purple lines. I created these lines, okay? So if I don't have any trades in, this is what I'll do. If I have a $3,000 account, I would put a buy as soon as the market opened. If the market opens underneath 25,746, I would put a buy 0.01, a market order. Now, if it opens above 25,746, I would put a buy limit, people, a buy limit at right around here, 25,650, a buy limit. But I'm not going to explain that right now. But $3,000 account, you don't have anything in, I would put a buy at 25,746. Then if it drops again to 25,469 right here at this hard support on the 4 hour, I would put another buy. And if it dropped again under 25,122 right here, this hard daily support, I would put a buy. So I would put 3 buys and I wouldn't do anything else. However, I would have a sell stop at 25,000 just in case if it continues going down, this sell protects my 3 buys. And as you can see, you'll see this is advanced now. Another sell at 24,900 with a buy at 24,900 initiated at the same time. This is advanced stuff, so we'll leave that alone. But this is what I would do. In other words, this is a buy market, and you be patient. So if it opens below 25,746, I don't have anything in, I would put a buy. That's for US 30. I believe, again, US 30 on Sundays will get to 25,298 right here. And remember, if it gets to that number or below, you'll have buys. And depending on your account, I would stop a buy. I wouldn't put no more buys at 25,122. So right here. Okay. So that's US 30. Let's look at NAS100. So NAS100, okay, I already marked everything. So if we look at the daily, it's at its highest point because here, February 19th, before the pandemic, it was at right at 9,728, 9,728. High, very high, because if you look at the weekly, this was the highest point ever since 2018, September, all the way to February 10th, 2020. This was the highest it's been. So now we look currently now, June 29th, July 5th, it's at a very high point, and we know a lot of people lost their jobs. So when we look at fundamentals and then we look at the economics, it doesn't make sense. So let's click at the daily so you can see. Now, the yellow is hard support and resistance lines. And we have here resistance. Before that was the highest. So let's look at the 4-hour. So we see that NAS100 has been tickering right here at this hard support 10372. So when we look at the hour, we see that the highest it went was 10443. So 10443, that's 100 above. So it went 100 above and it's slowly dropping. So what I would do here. So let's get my text. Give me 1 second. Where's my text? I don't even see my text. So right here, I would say sell limit 0.01 equal 10,400. Sell market order 0.01 equal now. Stop loss equal 10,460. Take profit 1, 10, 124. Take profit 2, equal 10,000, I believe. So remember, the risk reward is a $3,000 account. $3,000 account, because $1 for every 1,000. So now let's look at it. I believe NAS100 will drop, and this drop right here can be about 1.5 days, and eventually I believe it'll fall underneath here and come right here to this support or resistance, however you look at it. Right, I believe it'll fall right. Let's do a horizontal ray. That'd be better. Horizontal ray. I believe it'll fall right here. So my other take profit would be at 9928. So take profit would be 9920. 9930. Okay, so this right here is a sell. Now, if you do the measurement, let's move 1 second. Sorry. Let's move this. If we do the daily measurement, US30 moves on average about 200 a day. So So 200, it should drop to 10,000 even right here. So that's the move. So if you're going to trade NAS100, it's a sell market order immediately 0.01 now, and a sell limit 0.01 at 10 400. How, that's too close. I'll put 10, 20, 10, 400 right here. Yeah, I'll do it right here. 10,420. So that's that. So NAS100 is a sell. US30 is a buy. And the GR30, right now would not do anything. As you can see, it's right at this key point right here. A hard support on a daily. As you can see, a daily, it's at a hard support. I would not do anything. I would probably want it to go down. But remember, you cannot trade too many pairs. Maximum is 2. So this one, I would relax, even though I see signs of of it's doing of it's going down. If however my stop loss would have been here, but do not trade it because you can only trade up to 2 pairs, and I gave you the best 2 pairs that I would trade. I'll put my stop loss right there. So for this one, my stop loss would be 100 above, and I would most likely wait. I'll put one sell, and then if it goes up here, put another sell. But remember, you can trade one at a time. Okay, so US30, I would make a buy. NAS100, I would make a sell. And it's Sunday the 5th before the market open. I am the professor. Thanks.